And straight away, the best car of the show is in the car park. This is BMW M3 of the E30 generation. Its most striking feature is of course the wide bodywork. This old Bentley, looking resplendent in silver, here we have a big old American car that's not really that old. It's a Ford Crown Victoria. It is enormous. Judging by the looks of the interior, this wasn't a taxi or a police car. A little scamp buggy based on mini parts. Modern Detroit muscle. Dodge Challenger SRT. It is, rather surprisingly, a manual. The obligatory E-type that you always see in these sort of places. And a red fox. A 911 GT3 RS, complete with scaffolding inside. Here we have an Art Deco masterpiece, a Pontiac from 1946. It's called the Pontiac 8, so we can safely assume it has a V8 under the bonnet. A Triumph Dolomite. I'm guessing it's a Sprint because it has the bonnet open. A Cooper S. Next to a 220S. This Mercedes is from 1958. And this is one of the prettiest little sports cars ever made. The MGA Coupe. Back when cars were designed to have friendly faces. A Jaguar Mark II in a shade of brown that could only exist in the past. This is a white, which is obviously black and red. Superpower. I think these were originally made in Canada, but don't quote me on that. Modern M2 and a modern roller thing which also has a BMW engine under the bonnet. And the good old Rolls-Royce V8. A very blue Mustang fastback from the late 60s. This one has a 360 cubic inch V8 motor. Here we have a Mark II Granada. This is the top of the range 2.8 injection Gia X. The more words, the better. This boxy design has aged so well. Here we have something that's seemingly an Audi, but it's a DKW 1000. Yeah, that's alright, don't worry. It's powered by a 3-cylinder, 2-stroke engine. This is an Australian muscle car, the Holden Monaro. It's powered by the same 5.7 liter V8 that you'd find in a C5 Corvette. This was also sold as a Pontiac GTO in the US and as a Vauxhall Monaro in the UK. Something rare and fabulous. The original Capri. This is a Consul Capri GT. One of only 2,000 ever made. Clearly an American-inspired design, cut down to European size. A recently restored roller of some description. And the car of the people, the Austin 7.